my fabulous friends. I'm glad that you could stop by. It's the 1st of January 2020, and I wanted to start off with a big bang. So I've got my, really pretty, corally orangey color top, and I have my lip gloss from the Petite and Pretty, and this is the Glow Bright. So I think I'm all ready to go. So anyways, I hope you had a fabulous New Year's, and let me know what you had and what you did, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I really appreciate it. I had a fabulous New Year, so let's jump on board. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kathy, and I'd really appreciate a big thumbs up and a subscribe button below, and I really appreciate you sticking around. So anyways, let's jump on and talk about this. This is the star of the show for this video. It is from ColourPop. It is called the Mar Pressed Powder Eyeshadow Palette. It's cruelty-free. It has no eye warnings, which I really appreciate, and give kudos to ColourPop being really transparent about the eye warnings and which colors and eyeshadows have it, any warnings on it. And on the back, it typically has all the names, and there would be a little asterisk next to it, and then some discussion right down here if it did have the eye warning. It's also on the back of the box, and to throw it in there just to make sure, on the actual palette itself with the names, there would be a little asterisk. So as I said, kudos to them. So this is $12, and there's 9 shades in here. It has matte, shimmers, and satins, and it's made in the USA, so I think this is, right there where we need to be. And I love the color scheme in this. It is teal and bronze, and let me tell you, this one really did it for me. I think this is cute as a bug, and this is not one of the monochromatic ones of that series, so this is going to be really pretty. I think it's really good for the winter. I think it's going to be absolutely incredible, for the next coming months. And I think you'll like it. So anyways, let's take a peek. It has the plastic, which it's okay because of the price point. You open it up. It has a nice mirror, which I really appreciate at this price point. And you open it up, and there you are. Look at those colors. And you know what? This can be a standalone palette. I think it can really be mix and match, make some beautiful looks. So let's jump on board and do some swatches. And you and I both know that it only tells you half the story, but it gives you a good, solid, this is something that I'm attracted to, or nah, I don't think so. So it's just part of that, learning, curve, and to see what you like and you don't like. So let's take some finger swatches, and then we're going to put it on the back of my hand so you can take a peek. So right here is the first one, is El Rey, and it is a metallic soft peach with a gold, little pearlescence to it. Then we have Wild One, which is a matte rich orange copper. And then this one, oh my goodness, it is called Detour, and it's a matte cobalt. Look at that. El Rey, Wild One, Detour. Look at that cobalt. That is just screaming my name. So let's put some on the back of my hand. Whoa, look at that. Do you see any chunkiness? Do you see any patchiness? Really pretty, really pretty. I just want to let you know that cobalt has a little tendency to stain, so I highly recommend using a primer beforehand. Then let's go to the next row. This one is called Boozy, which is a metallic orange with a gold, pearlescence. This one is called Gridlock, which is a bright teal with a soft, silver teal glitter to it. Then we have Sorbet, which is a matte peachy soft brown. There you are. And here we go. Boozy, Gridlock, and right here is the last one, is that Sorbet. And look at that Gridlock. What a pretty, pretty teal. So let's do some more. Here you go. Whoa. Look at that teal. Oh. And that last one right here, sorbet, that beautiful peachy brown, really beautiful. Look at that. I think those are really phenomenal, and they go off. They just glide right on. I don't feel any chunkiness, and especially that one with the glitter in it. Didn't feel a darn thing. So let's go to the last row, which is right here is Highway, which is a satin seafoam green with a gold sheen to it. Then we have Top Down right here, which is a matte dark chocolate, and then we have this one right here. It's called My Way. It's a metallic, true, vibrant bronze. So here we are. Whoa, look at that seafoam. Is that gorgeous? And it's a satin, and that's called Highway. Then we have Top Down, which is that chocolate, and then here, right here on my last one is My Way, which is that true, vibrant bronze. So let's put them on. There. Oh, look at that seafoam. Really pretty. That chocolate Top Down had a little bit of patchiness, but I don't think you're going to really care about it. I think you can work around it, but look at those colors. Talk about vibrant. Really pretty. I think that ColourPop really did a good color scheme with this. I really like it. I think they all work together. I think this can be a standalone palette, as I said, because look at right here, this color right here, which is El Rey, is this metallic soft peach. That could be really pretty as a base or a transition, or to highlight right in here on your eye or up here on your brow bone. I think this is really cool, and you can make some really beautiful colors here. I would use this seafoam and also this teal and this blue just right around my eyes, but not in the water, the water line, because you don't want to mess with that, because you have some glands there and you don't really want them all clogged up and then to eventually have eye problems. So I think this is a big thumbs up. I hope you enjoy this video, and let me know if you have this palette and how it's working for you. Anyways, I hope you have a great first of the year, and see you in the next video, and have a fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.